Check out how simple it is to bring back the shine of this old headlight. First, I pop the hood to make my job easier. Then I start taping the paint so I don't scratch it. Don't skip this step, better safe than sorry. Then clean the headlight from dust. I am using a regular window cleaner and a microfiber towel. I will sand with 2000 grit since the headlight doesn't have any coating and there are no deep scratches on it, spraying the headlight and the sandpaper with some water. Then with horizontal motion, I start sanding. The oxidation is coming off easy. This usually takes 3 to 4 minutes if there is no coating on the lens. No need to add a lot of pressure, let the sandpaper do its job. I keep sanding until I take off all the oxidation. When I am done with taking the oxidation off, I move to the last sanding step. This is now 2500 grit. Once again, I wet the headlight and sandpaper. This time I sand in vertical motion, covering all the horizontal scratches I made with the previous grit. No pressure on the sandpaper. Going up to 2500 will make the next step easier and faster. After covering all the horizontal scratches, I clean and dry the lens. Now it's time to polish. I apply 4 dots of compound on my pad and start dabbing it on the lens. Links in the description of the compound and pad I use. I start at a slow speed just to spread the compound on the lens, and then I bring the speed up a bit and start polishing. Leave a comment if you have done a restoration yourself and share what you did differently and how it went. Peel off the tape and clean with a glass cleaner. I will apply wax to help the headlight last a little longer. For the longest lasting result, you can wrap it in PPF. Headlight-specific clear coats and ceramic coating will also help. Waiting for the wax to haze up and buffing with a microfiber towel. This is the result. Like and subscribe if I helped you. Check out my other restorations. Take care.